Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to deposit cryptocurrency on Bybit. First, open your Bybit application. Once you're inside, you'll see several options. Tap on Deposit. Next, select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. For example, if you want to deposit USDT, simply tap on it. After that, you'll need to choose the network you want to use. For instance, if you prefer BEP20, which is usually the cheapest, you can select it. If you want to use the Ethereum network, ERC20, select Ethereum. If you want to use Tron, TRC20, tap TRC20. You'll also find other options like Solana and more. Once you select the network, copy your wallet address. You can then share this address with the person sending you USDT, or use it to transfer funds yourself. Very important, always let the sender know which network you're using. For example, if you copied the BEP20 address, make sure you tell them to send through BEP20. Sending funds through the wrong network may result in permanent loss. And that's it. That's how you deposit crypto on Bybit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll know when I upload my next video. Thank you.